Hello, I'm Professor Susan DeGize. This tutorial is on Practice 9.9a. Directions. For number 1, use method number 1. Write the direction and interval between each note. For number 1b, copy the pattern to transpose the melody beginning on the given note. Alright, so I'm going to do the first two notes for you. So in the original, we need to figure out the intervals between each note. So from B to C sharp, that is ascending by a major second or a whole step. So for the melody that we're going to write, we're going to start on E3, which is right here. And now we need to write a major second above E. A major second above E is F sharp. So now our first two notes are intervallically transposed from the beginning. So let's go ahead and make these into 16th notes. So go ahead and complete number 1, pause the video, and press play when you're ready. Okay, first, let's identify the intervals between the notes in the original. From C sharp to D sharp, that's an ascending major second. What is the interval from D sharp down to G? Well, that's descending, and it's a fifth. G to D would be a perfect fifth. Raising D to D sharp makes it bigger, so this is an augmented fifth. And now from G to E is an ascending sixth. What is the quality? G major has one sharp. E is not one of them, so this is an ascending major sixth. Now we're going to apply these intervals to our melody. So first, a major second above F sharp is going to be G sharp. And now a descending augmented fifth from G sharp is C. Let's make them into 16th notes. Now we have to jump up a major sixth from C, which is A, and this one is an 8th note. Let's go ahead and add the slur, the staccato, and the tenuto mark. Now let's listen to this. Here's the original, and here is our melody. So it sounds the same. It's just been written so that it starts on E3. For number 2, use method number 2. Figure out the interval between the first note of number 2A and the first note of number 2B. Then transpose each note by that interval for number 2B. So I'm going to go ahead and do the first note. It says that our melody will begin on F4. So F4 is right here. So what we need to do is figure out the interval from here to there. F4 is a major second higher. So that means everything we write here will be a major second higher than the original. Go ahead and complete number 2, pause the video, and press play when you're ready. All right. So the second note in the original is B flat. A major second above B flat is C. Let's go ahead and make these into 8th notes. The next note in the original is A. A major second above A is B. The next note in the original is F sharp. A major second above F sharp is G sharp. We're going to make it into a dotted quarter. And the last note is G. A major second above G is A. We're going to make it into an 8th note. Let's go ahead and put the mezzo piano marking here, and also the accent. All right, let's listen to this. Here's the original. And here is the melody beginning on F4. Okay, so we use both methods from this chapter, from this section, to do intervallic transposition. If you'd like to review these methods, please reread section 9.9. You've now completed the tutorial for practice 9.9a. Thank you for watching.